Hello. Welcome everyone, near and far. Thank you so much for being here. Tonight we're celebrating 25 years of promoting the rights and interests of Minnesota's children. We're here this evening to celebrate, to thank our amazing volunteers, to honor some real heroes, and to raise money in support of Children's Law Center. During these 25 years, we have provided legal representation to thousands of abused, neglected, and abandoned children. We're actively involved in systemic reforms and educated thousands of people in our community on the unique needs and services of foster care youth. 25 years of positive impacts in the lives of our most vulnerable children and youth, and we could not have done it without you. I am very grateful that you have joined us today. We have an amazing program, which includes our keynote speaker, Patty Wetterling, a client story, and of course, a giving moment, an opportunity for you to support our organization so that we can continue to serve our children in need. We would not be celebrating 25 years this evening without the support of some very generous law firms and corporations. I especially want to thank our champion sponsors, 3M, Jones Day, Robbins Kaplan LLP, United Health Group. Thank you so much. And of course, I would like to thank our board of directors who have distinctly stepped up during this very different year, and the tenacious and committed staff of CLC. COVID-19 has certainly brought us closer together. COVID impacted every human being on this planet, even though the degree to which it impacted everyone varies greatly. For our clients, the most vulnerable children and youth, it added an additional layer of trauma, stress, and confusion. When Minnesota was ordered to stay at home in late March, early April, many of the services our child clients depended on were essentially frozen and unavailable. Imagine you're 12 years old in foster care and now unable to go to school, a safe escape from the abuse, neglect, and trauma. You are now also unable to access therapy, go to your doctor, have visitations with your siblings and family. You are doing it all on Zoom or FaceTime. That is if you're lucky enough to have access to necessary technology and a strong Wi-Fi signal. The unrest following George Floyd's killing brought a lot of fear, stress, and confusion to our child clients, 84% of whom are children of color. They're not certain of their safety, of their future, and are unable to keep up with the rapid changes happening in our country today. During the summer, our clients did not have access to typical outdoor summer activities, interacting with other youth and adults, staying stuck in their placements. The uncertainty of school plans for the fall added an additional layer of stress to already confusing life, not knowing if they will ever be reunified with their parents, and if not, where they would end up. Now imagine being one of those scared young boys, girls, and youth going through this global pandemic often alone. This year, our services have proven to be more critical than ever before. While the courts were trying to figure out how to continue with the child protection matters, our staff attorneys adapted to virtual court hearings and reviews and have taken over most court appearances on behalf of our volunteer attorneys. CLC staff has been working from home with limited technology, continuing to serve our clients and volunteer attorneys. I am humble and always very grateful and appreciative of all CLC staff, all of whom work hard to ensure continuity in the high-quality representation we strive to provide for our clients. It hasn't been easy. As one volunteer attorney once shared, kids need people to advocate for them in a system that talks about them and around them. That is what we have done for 25 years. We are those people. And today, we're celebrating Children's Law Center's 25th anniversary. Since its inception, the center provided direct legal representation to nearly 4,000 abused and neglected children and youth. We recruited, trained, and supported over 1,000 volunteer attorneys, without whom we could not have reached this many child clients. In addition to direct legal representation, CLC established itself as the subject matter expert in child representation and often presents to statewide stakeholders in child protection, serves on the Juvenile Rules Committee, is asked to participate in amicus briefs, and has led or supported many legislative changes affecting the lives of Minnesota's children. Tonight, we're thrilled to hand over the proverbial mic to Patty Wetterling. As many of you know, Patty is a national advocate for children's safety since experiencing the devastation of losing her son, Jacob Wetterling. Patty is a longtime supporter of CLC. Please welcome Patty Wetterling. Thank you, Patty. Take it away.